Gentlemen, my name is Tylan. Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, if you're one of the boys already, I've got something that is absolutely life-changing for you if you just give me your time and your energy and your attention. And you also promise me that you're going to absolutely do this straight after the video. Because it's going to be a very practical thing. Like most guys, most YouTube videos will be theory. This is practical. So let's get straight into it. The biggest mistake guys make when they're trying to double their social or dating life, get out into the world, feel more confident, and socialize more effortlessly. The biggest mistake guys make when trying to become magnetic, or trying to feel more authentic and confident, is they operate from their old identity, and they operate from a level of survival and stress. These are the two very important things, because you see, the thing is, your older identity, it's a very real entity, it's a very real being, it exists, and it's probably existed with you for however old you are, 24 years old, 27 years old, 37 years old. And this 37-year-old friend that you have isn't going to let go so easily when you finally decided to click on a video like this to fucking fix your dating life. Because this old friend is alive, and it's been alive for 37 years, and it's built this really deep connection with you. It's almost you, but it's not you. And that's the thing you need to realize. You are not your identity, because your identity can change. You can kill this old identity, but it's going to take a lot of work, and it's going to take a lot of fucking pain, because you're not going to believe it. Because again, why are you not going to believe it? Because you've believed that old identity for 24 years. That's going to be hard to let go of. So then what happens is we go out into the world with these limiting self-beliefs and these programmings like, I don't feel confident, I'm stressed out, I'm anxious. You have the mannerisms of somebody that's in survival mode. You go around, you walk with like timid body language, your jaw is clenched, your breathing is off rhythm, you're feeling anxious and stressed out. And the moment the thought of approaching somebody comes into your head, that's when you tremble and everything falls down. Believe me, I know. I might be attractive, but I still deal with that shit. Because again, I've had this old identity for 24 years. I'm 24 years old, and I'm getting rid of it day by day. And it's going to take a lot of fucking work, but it's going to get there. And this is the practical tip that I've been literally doing every single day for the past literally 4 or 5 days recently, after reading like a few books. One of them is Psycho-Cybernetics. The other one is Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself by Dr. Joe Dispenza. Incredible 10 out of 10 books. That's where this video comes from. Let's get straight into it. Spending 10 minutes meditating on your dream reality and day. This is how it's going to work, boys. Each day before heading out into the world, I want you to meditate on your dream identity, who you want to be and who you aspire to be. Is it that confident version of yourself that goes out and smiles unapologetically with incredible body language, and you're just so happy and feel so positive and relaxed? You feel so relaxed, you almost feel a bit sleepless and like sleep deprived. You're walking through with such passion and such grace and joy in the world. You can't help but share that positive energy with people. So when somebody walks past you, you can't help but say, hey, good morning, how's it going? When you're walking around the park and a girl is sitting there, you can't help but say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Look at the park, look at the trees, look at the birds. Hope you're having a fantastic day. See you later. You can't help but do those things. But these aren't natural to you because of your old identity. So we need to get rid of this. And we need to go out into the world with this new identity, with these new programmed set of beliefs before our old programming takes over. And eventually, every single day as we do this over the years, months, weeks, however long it takes, there will come a day where you will just wake up one day and you'll be like, holy shit, this is natural to me now. This is who I am now. That person that I wanted to become and I struggled so hard with, and I thought building my physique or improving my looks and, getting a new haircut was going to never solved, because those are all exterior things. When I truly focus on the interior, that's when it changes. So let's do this. Take 5-10 minutes, pause the video if you need to, and just write down in your book, in your journal, or maybe just think and ponder on your mind the traits, the qualities, and the person you are after you have doubled your social and dating life. Your end point, the desired person you want to be and the desired reality you want to have, okay? Make the environment real. I want you to think about one movie scene. It could be you walking down the street of your local neighborhood or your city. You're dressed beautifully and you've got confidence and you're walking. Think about this movie scene, make it real, add things to the environment, and then step into yourself and start to feel those emotions and your identity and your thoughts, okay? And you might picture yourself maybe you've just gotten the phone number of a girl. That's how you picture the movie, okay? The movie is the girl just handed back your phone to you with her number in your phone, and she's smiling at you, and you walk away smiling, and that's how you feel. Feel that emotion, okay? Feel that. That's what we need to focus on, okay? Once you've got this image clear of the person you want to be or the end result that you've just achieved, okay? Again, the person you want to be is your traits, your quality. So you have an image, a movie of that. Or the end result is you just got the phone number. Maybe you just got a blowjob, right? Maybe she just said yes to marrying you, or maybe she just said yes to being your girlfriend. These kind of things. Think about the end result. Now, this is where the meditation starts, okay? Once you've got this movie. Find a place. Ideally, this is work for me outdoors in nature, but you can sit down in your room in a quiet place, put some meditation music on, something relaxing. But before we actually start to visualize this, what we need to do is relax. We need to relax so we can get into creator mode, because we can't create from a state of survival. So in order to relax, you might just sit down and breathe normally for a second. Just stretch out for a second, man. Get rid of some pain, right? Just loosen up for a second. Shake around and just relax. Sit on your chair, sit on the floor, whatever it is, sit in a comfortable location. You don't need to cross your legs. You don't need to do that shit. It doesn't matter. Just sit. Then you're going to start to close your eyes. Again, you might have meditation music playing in the background, or you might be out in nature. Make sure it's comfortable temperature as well. It's not too cold, too hot. You're not uncomfortable. You're relaxed. Every time I say relax, take a shot. Where were we? Once you're relaxed, close your eyes and just keep your eyes closed for a second and slowly bring your attention just to your breath, okay? You don't need to think about anything. Don't obsess about not thinking about anything. Just focus on your breath, okay? Breathe in through your nose and then exhale from your nose longer than you inhale. This is very important. Your exhale needs to be longer, okay? That's going to signal to your nervous system that it's okay to relax. Something else you can also do is inhale through your nose, stop, inhale sharply again through your nose, stop, and then breathe out in a very slow manner. And breathe out, exhale longer than you've inhaled. So let's do that right now. You've got your eyes closed, and I'll demonstrate to you how you might do this. What I'd like you to do is also focus on mewing. So put your tongue to the roof of your mouth and focus on breathing from the back of your throat rather than your nose, okay? So I will demonstrate that to you now. Again, you're sitting down, you're relaxed, your eyes are closed, okay? And we're just about to begin playing this scenario, this movie of your ideal self or reality in your head. So the breath will go like this. Inhale through your nose right now. Inhale again sharply. Stop and exhale slowly. Either through the nose or the mouth, doesn't matter, but slowly. Once you've exhaled completely, stay in that silence, in that peace. Focus on that stillness, and then repeat that as much times as you need to feel relaxed. And once you can find that stillness and you feel so relaxed in the moment, then just relax your breathing. Don't focus on your breathing now. Don't focus on anything else, right? Just be in the moment, eyes closed, and begin to play this image in your head vividly. Create that image and step into it. Make the colors real. Make the temperature real, the weather. Feel the wind on your arms. Feel the sun on your skin. Is it day or is it nighttime? What are you wearing? Where are you? What are you doing, right? Make this image very clear. Then step into your own body. Look from your eyes to your hands. You see your hands, you see the clothing, you see the floor, you see where you are when you look around. Make these images very clear. Look from your ideal self. You are who you dreamt of now, okay? When you're in that moment, I want you to play that image in your head now of that moment where she said yes to being your girlfriend, and you turn around and you're happy and both of you are happy and you feel confident and you feel like the man in that moment. And I want you to feel like that. I want you to feel like that now in your body. Smile. Feel those emotions in your heart. Feel like you're the man. Feel that confidence. And keep repeating that image in your mind. Keep playing that scenario in your mind. You are the man. She just said yes to marrying you. She is completely obsessed about you. She just keeps messaging you. Feel that emotion. Feel what it feels like to be that man today. Feel what it feels like to have stepped into that identity today. And keep repeating this meditation for as long as you need. And then eventually, you will feel so good. You will feel so good. And that is the moment you know that something has changed in your energy and in your identity. And now you can open your eyes and go back to the world. And now, once you've opened your eyes, I want you to try and maintain those emotions and that feeling. Eventually, you will lose it. And that's when you do this meditation again and again and again, and you just keep maintaining that state. How good does it feel? I don't need to convince you. If you've done this correctly, if you do this exercise correctly, and it's worked for you, leave a comment down below and let me know how you felt after this. I promise you will feel incredible. And now you can go out and you can start socializing because you feel like you are that person already, and everything will come so much more naturally to you. I hope this has been very helpful for you. I'll see you next time.